Welcome to the Introduction to HTML, the building blocks of the web. In this video, we'll explore what HTML is, its history, purpose, and key features. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 while working at CERN. It was originally designed as a way to share scientific documents among researchers, and it evolved into the foundation of the World Wide Web. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee proposed the HTML concept. In 1991, the first HTML document was published online. In 1993, an HTML draft was published by the Internet Engineering Task Force, also known as IETF. In 1995, the HTML 2.0 specification was released. HTML serves several key purposes on the web. Primarily, it's used to structure content on the web, create hyperlinks between documents, define the semantic meaning of content, and support cross-platform compatibility. Here is a basic example of HTML code. It starts with the document type declaration, followed by the HTML, head, and body tags. The head section contains the title of the page, while the body section contains the main content, such as headings and paragraphs. Let's take a look at how HTML has evolved over the years. In 1991, HTML 1.0 was introduced, offering a very basic document structure with limited tags for headings and paragraphs, as well as simple hyperlinks. By 1995, HTML 2.0 arrived as the first formal HTML specification, introducing forms, input elements, and basic tables. Although drafted in 1995, HTML 3.0 was never officially adopted due to its complexity for browsers, though it did explore mathematical formulas. In 1997, HTML 3.2 became a World Wide Web consortium, also known as W3C recommendation, with support for tables, applets, and text flow around images. Continuing with the evolution of HTML between 1997 and 1998, HTML 4.0 brought cascading style sheet support, also known as CSS, improved tables and forms, frames for page layout, scripting capabilities, and internationalization. In the year 2000, Extensible Hypertext Markup Language 1.0, or XHTML 1.0, was introduced as a reformulation of HTML4, an extensible markup language, or XML, with stricter syntax rules, requiring all tags to be closed, attributes to have values, and case sensitivity for lowercase tags. In 2014, HTML5 arrived with semantic elements such as header, footer, and navigation, audio and video support, canvas for drawing graphics, local storage capabilities, form improvements, and responsive design support. HTML5 boasts several key features that make it a powerful tool for web development. These features include semantic elements, multimedia support, canvas and scalable vector graphics, or SVG, form improvements, web storage, and responsive design. Semantic elements provide meaning to page structure, such as header, footer, navigation, section, and article. Multimedia support enables native audio and video playback without the need for plugins, using the video tag with the source and controls attributes. Canvas and SVG offer drawing and graphics capabilities, as demonstrated by the canvas tag with specified height and width. Form improvements include new input types and form validation, like the email input type with the required attribute. Web storage provides client-side data storage capabilities, allowing you to set and retrieve data using JavaScript. Responsive design ensures better support for different screen sizes, achieved through the meta tag with the viewport settings. A basic HTML document follows a specific structure. It begins with the document type declaration, specifying the HTML version. The HTML tag with the language attribute, typically set to N for English, encloses the entire document. The head section contains metadata, such as character set, page title, and links to external style sheets. The body section holds the visible content, including headers and main content. The document type declaration defines the document type and HTML version. The head section contains metadata about the document, such as title, character set, and styles. The body section contains the visible content of the web page. The future of HTML is promising, with several emerging trends shaping its evolution. Web components offer custom, reusable, encapsulated HTML elements for building web applications. Progressive web apps are web applications that work offline, load quickly, and feel like native apps. Web Extended Reality, or WebXR, provides standards for creating virtual and augmented reality experiences on the web. The Semantic Web enhances meaning in web content for better machine understanding and artificial intelligence integration. HTML continues to evolve, adapting to new technologies and user needs while maintaining backward compatibility. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.